And I had already decided, once meeting him and hearing everything, that I wanted Dr. Mendelsohn to do my surgery. Immediately after the procedure, well, before the procedure, I had talked to Dr. Mendelsohn about the possible swelling. I do work for an investment firm during the week, so I do meet with clients there, and then I do weddings on the weekend, and so we did this during our downtime in February. We don't tend to do too many weddings in February, and we were through the bridal shows where we meet and greet. So I had decided I wanted to take a week off work, just so I could relax, let the swelling go down, because you do wear the band. And I wanted to be able to wear the band as much as possible to kind of keep the lift going, the surgical site protected. So I got some of my books and just relaxed for an entire week. But I walked every day. Fortunately, this is February 2012, and February 29th was 68 degrees. I spent the entire day outside. I was cleaning up some of the yard. I did take a break and sat down and read. It wasn't real comfortable bending forward. You feel a pull, so I stopped pulling weeds. I wasn't real comfortable pulling weeds yet, so I thought I might be pushing it just a little bit. So I backed off. We got our dogs and went for a 2-hour walk, which is, it's a perfect day. That's why God gives us these kind of days. 68 degrees, February 29th, and I thought, wow, let's take a walk, and we even had dinner on a veranda. We have an old Victorian home, so it's a veranda. It's not a porch, it's a veranda. So we even had dinner outside. But I did take the entire week off because I was a little concerned about the swelling. I have no bruising, as you can see. I had my stitches out just a few moments ago, which was pain-free. I have no bruising. I have a little tenderness. It still feels just like a little full back in here, but that's perfectly normal. It feels just a little full, but as you can see, it's just perfect. And I have heard of women who do go back to work like midweek, but for me, my face was still a little swollen, and being one-on-one with clients and with customers, I thought, I deserve a week, so I took 4 days off work. My husband is my biggest adversary. He tells me how beautiful my jawline is. He noticed immediately. He said, "Wow." He says, "I knew you wanted to have this done." He says, "I wasn't completely sold on it." But he said, "But looking at you afterwards, I'm completely sold on it." He said, "My God, what a difference. What a difference." So yes.
Thank you for doing this.
Oh, it's wonderful when you've had the experience that I've had here. It has been wonderful. And anything that I have done in the future, which I plan on having, as I am blessed to progress, I don't say birthdays, it's blessed to progress, I will come back to Dr. Mendelsohn because I have found the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure working with you.
Thank you.
All right. Well, come on with me.